Master kit, the dog. Master lug removal kit. Universal locking lug removal kit. Harbor Freight. Good deal. Takes these back to these. So now you can change your tires and with the ease. So my car's got these keyed lug nuts on it, and somebody took the key out of the car and lost it, suspecting my ex-wife. So got this bad boy here, and it's got these dope little grooves in there. I call it the remove all bolts lug. So what we're gonna do is get it on there and we pound it into place. Then we torque it off, and they all come off. Every lug, doesn't matter. This guy's undefeated. Just pound it on a little bit. You don't have to get it all the way on, just get it on there so it gets a good bite. And you can remove these guys pretty simply, pretty pleased. Watching it. Tools in effect, y'all. Keep on working, boys and girls.